Hello, it's Fun Fact Friday! In the dance of existence, two forces intertwine. Yin, the gentle whisper of the universe, manifests in the subtle and the soft. In nature, yin is the cool embrace of night, the stillness of a lake, the quiet of winter. Within us, yin is the restorative power of rest, the healing flow of hydration. It nurtures our inner world, fostering reflection, intuition, and emotional depth. In the realm of spirit, yin opens the gates to profound wisdom and insight. Too little yin leaves us restless, burning the candle at both ends, unable to fully recharge. Without its cooling, grounding energy, we become overstimulated, anxious, and exhausted, struggling to find the stillness needed for true restoration. Yet too much yin can submerge us in lethargy and melancholy, weighing us down in stillness. We may feel sluggish, unmotivated, and disconnected, as if lost in a deep fog, struggling to find clarity and direction. We nurture yin through stillness, deep breathing, and connection with nature. In harmony with yang, yin creates the perfect balance of energies. As we embrace the power of yin, we find calm amidst chaos, allowing ourselves to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with our inner stillness. In a world that constantly pushes us to move faster, yin teaches us the strength in stillness, the wisdom in reflection, and the peace that comes from surrendering to the natural flow of life. By nurturing yin energy, we create space for healing, balance, and clarity, transforming overwhelm into tranquility and noise into harmony. And prepare to greet the rising yang, embracing its warmth, energy, and movement. As yin restores, yang ignites, creating balance and guiding us toward harmony.